Hello, my name is Matthew Day, and I am the team captain of T1A4 Group 4. I am representing my colleagues Gabriel, Braden, Harrison, and Peter. As a group, we decided to model a mechanical watch. Unfortunately for us, there are no free and/or acceptable plans for mechanical watches online. The first few weeks of our project, I found this out, and I took it upon myself to buy a cheap mechanical watch off of Amazon. I then took it apart, and then as a team, we worked together to model the parts on Solidworks. We start with the initial watch movement. You can see that by moving the crown, you are able to set the time of the watch. Now, when I was taking apart the watch, I was able to notice that the bottom connects to the top with a screw alignment. We now come to our first subassembly, the crown. The crown is used to set the time of the watch, and it is used to wind the barrel. Notice that the small gear is able to move horizontally. You can now see the hand assembly. Each hand relies on their own gear as shown. Through the inner watch movement, the hands are able to move properly. The escapement assembly as shown connects with the flywheel, which consistently oscillates, which allows the watch to keep time without messing up. For example, slowing down or speeding up. Now we are at the plate 1 assembly. The plate 1 assembly connects the crown to the barrel. The barrel, once wound, feeds power to the watch. Now we are at the plate 3 assembly. This assembly is the flywheel assembly. The flywheel consistently oscillates, which in turn feeds power to the escapement, which regulates the speed of the watch. This now brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching.